Thank you for joining us today. We're going to take a closer look at the Manfrotto Element Monopod in red. Stay tuned. Okay, again, thank you for joining us today. So monopods are a great option for giving you extra support because they're small, they're lightweight, they're easy to carry around with you, store in a camera bag or a backpack or a suitcase, and they can get into places that typically are not suitable for tripods. Let's take a closer look at some of the specifications of the Element Monopod from Manfrotto in red. Okay, so we're looking at a 5-section aluminum monopod that weighs just over a pound, but can support over 30 pounds. So this monopod is going to be perfect for a DSLR camera with a long lens, a mirrorless camera, or compact camera. Talking about its 5 sections, this monopod is capable of closing down to a minimum of just over 16 inches, but can extend to about 59 inches in height. Extending and closing the monopod is really fast and easy with the rubberized twist locks. All you need is just a half a turn. Connecting the monopod to your camera is fast with the 1/4-20 thread on the top, but if you're looking to attach a ball head or small video head, you can simply reverse the mounting screw to a 3/8 thread. Another feature of this monopod is the fact that it has a really nice foam grip. This is going to make it more comfortable when holding the monopod on camera, as well as a wrist strap to give you some added support. If we look down at the bottom, you can interchange the rubber foot that's included on the monopod with the included spiked foot. And not only is the monopod great for supporting your camera, but if you're out in the wilderness or hiking, you can use the monopod as a great walking stick. So as we see, the monopod from Manfrotto, the Element Edition, is a great support for your camera. It's easy to carry around with you. It's a no-brainer to have in your camera bag at all times. So take a closer look at this monopod. It's selling for just under $50, and it supports a lot of weight. So if you like this video, and if you like this monopod, hit us with a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. And remember, if you're in the Miami area, come say hello at the Digital Goja showroom. I'll catch you in the next video.